I must shout out Live Nation.
Yes.
Big up to Live Nation.
Yes.
You get me? Big up to Vybz Kartel and his team.
Yes.
Big up to all the patrons them
Yes.
who go to Freedom Street.
Yes.
Whether JA, UK or Malta. Remember, if you don't have one Malta, get a son or a daughter. Yeah.
All right, master.
That me a talk about.
All right.
So yeah, let's talk about Freedom Street real quick. If you never see Freedom Street, you've been living under a rock.
Yeah.
Freedom Street in Malta. It's a festival. It's a 3-day weekender. And it look absolutely crazy. Look off the hook. It kind of give me that ATI Dream Weekend vibe.
Yeah.
You know, big up all the part of them from UK will go over Malta or represent. You don't know, big up bus driver link up. You don't know, big up Matt's barbecue.
Yes.
All of the part of them look festive. Big up all the UK patrons them, because you know what? I have to shout out to the patrons them, because I don't see no flubble double, nobody misbehaving.
No, yeah. Everybody
nobody
went and had a good time.
Fight.
That's true.
And it look like say
That's
it's
true.
more, everybody is mature. Like it's a mature crowd. Like mature don't have to do with age. So let me just put that out there.
That's true.
It's the mature crowd who go, the people who go out for have fun and enjoy themselves. That me a talk about.
Yep.
What you guys think about Vybz Kartel show Freedom Street in Malta?
It was a good production. I mean, again, big up to, as you said, big up to his team and everybody that is around him. My favorite part of, even though I wasn't there, big up to everybody who got live.
Let's speak about the first night.
Night one.
Yeah, night one. Yeah.
Was that when Dexter did perform?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Big up to everybody who, pay them internet bill on a monthly basis, or them top up them international credits.
And big up the patrons them who go Malta, who have good service, who could have watched it.
Well, on the man, and that's what I got. Big up to the patrons them who forward to Malta with them good data, either with them international SIM or with them EE or them Vodafone
roaming,
or them whatever. It's big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself.
I felt like I was in Malta. We have a schoolboy Guinness. But yeah, I understand. I felt as if I was there. As I said, the vibes, people them followed up with them vibes, no bad vibes. Dexter that stood the night for me. I'm really sorry. Dexter with the trench coat, the energy went forward with on the stage. Dexter took the night for me on night one. Are you okay there, sir?
Yeah.
Are we boring you?
Someone bad mind.
We don't know. Probably next year.
Yeah,
Alkaline
probably next year. Yeah.
We don't know.
You don't know. Probably.
Vendetta
That would have been mad still.
That would have been crazy.
That would have been mad.
If Vendetta Boss was on that show, that would have been extremely great.
Yeah, we're not gonna make it about Carnival about Vendetta, but I wish they sort out whatever they have going on and propel dancehall in a peaceful way and a more unified way, because the kick is big enough for everybody.
Yeah. Also,
yeah. Go ahead.
Was Skeng also on night one?
No.
Or was that night two? We're talking about night one. Cool. I'm gonna stick to that. Yeah. Dexter take the cake for me for night one.
Yeah.
Birds, what about you?
Pass.
You passing?
All right.
Okay.
Yeah. For me,
you, All-Star?
night one, Dexter. Big up Cranium as well. Cranium do a absolutely good performance. Like, I have to give Cranium ratings, because every time Cranium perform, him kind of stick to theme strategy, clarity. Him sing out, him sang them. Him perform nice and good. Big up night two. Make a move to night two now. Night two.
Skeng with that holiday.
No, first big up Shensia.
Shensia, yeah, her. I loved her outfit, by the way.
Big up Shensia,
and
sexy girl. Shensia.
Yeah.
No, girl look good.
She followed out with that vibe.
Yeah, she followed out with that vibe. Shensia go on good. You know the girl love Shensia. Be a thing go on. Yeah. Boom. That mashup. Big up Jada.
Heavy, Muma heavy.
Go on with herself. I don't know.
She forward out with herself and she do her thing.
Go on with be a thing. You understand? Big up Freedom Street as well. Shoot some cameo with the UK DJ them.
Big up to Capo.
Big up to DJ Dio. Big up to Shortman them.
Yep.
Big up to Juvenile. Big up all the UK DJ them. If me left out nobody, forgiveness.
Yeah.
You don't know. But big up all the UK DJ who go out and represent it. That's true.
Big up to the dancers them too.
The culture is running out. Big up the dancers them.
Yeah.
Because we've been cussing and say the UK dancing scene, it's been a bit laggy. But now the dancing scene, it's out there. You get me?
Yeah.
The dancing scene, dead.
Yeah.
Night two. We're still at night few now, yeah?
Yeah. Skeng and the trolley.
Skeng and the trolley. And you know what?
stick up in. We have a couple people on the live that's going to be chatting with us. DJ Dio is in the building. Fire is in the building as well. You don't know, say they are family to the show. So, lady and gentlemen, just unmute yourself whenever you're ready and just join the conversation. Seeing and give me a microphone test check. Make what ear walk one.
Turn about something the rest of that channel.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Fire, we're hearing you. DJ Dio.
Yeah, big up Fire. I don't know the thing go.
Fire, big up yourself. Thanks for joining us this evening, my sis.
Fire. Quick question as a journey live. Was you in Malta?
I was not, unfortunately.
Why?
But you were there via...
Fire, next year me I go, yeah?
Yeah, I don't mind. If I can get time off, absolutely. Look, I was actually disappointed.
Fire, we are calling sick. We are calling sick, and if a boss or nobody from work super and live, I saw you go.
I never you. What were you disappointed about?
I weren't disappointed, but I feel like I got tricked because a lot of people were like, we're not going, the flights are too expensive.
Yeah.
Everyone was selling their tickets. And then when I took a stop, everyone was in Malta.
Everybody
so
was.
they were doing that because they didn't want me to come.
Them didn't want the space for themselves. Fire.
Them trick you if you have ticket to sell a ticket.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, man, I like you look mad. You absolutely look mad. Like they just together and everybody like big up all like people who go to their friends, and your friends are they're like. I'm watching like the Snapchat story to the Instagram story to the TikTok videos.
Yeah.
Everybody. Whether they're in their hotel, they're having a vibe. Whether they're on the road, they're having a vibe. Whether they're doing like a little beach excursion, it's a vibe. And when I'm not even talking about the individual daytime event or the nighttime event or the after parties. Just overall, it's a good production. And I feel like say anybody who try something like this again, this one gonna be hard to beat.
They have to supersede that, definitely.
No, for real.
Definitely.
Loaded boss. Mike, check me with you, Wagwan.
Yo.
Wagwan, my G.
Yeah, Loaded boss. We see a few snaps of you in Malta shelling with Capo. Talk us through the vibe and everything, Wagwan.
Well, to be honest, the same day you saw me on the stage is the same day I flew in to Malta.
Yeah.
And obviously, the opportunity came and I took it. You know what I mean? Because I obviously had bookings before, so I can't give a full review on the whole event because I wasn't there from the start. But from the day I went, Cartel did his thing as usual. But one thing people were saying is the track list was kind of the same from the night before.
Yeah.
Okay.
I agree.
Sunday,
Fully agree.
He did a few songs that he didn't do the night before, but from what everyone is saying, the tracklist was basically entirely the same. But in Carter's defense, I would say majority of the songs he did is obviously his top hits. You know what I mean?
Right.
And people that probably didn't hear them on the night before or wasn't there the night before probably wanted to hear them on that second night, which is the Sunday. So, you know what I mean? That's in his defense why you probably do back most of the same songs. And to be fair, as a dancehall artist that has so many songs, for him to tap in some other songs that he hasn't done, because I'm sure he did some songs that we probably haven't heard in a long time, and he probably never got the reaction he expected.
So he followed out. Yeah.
One of these. Stop. I'm not cutting you a little bit. Like, I've been looking in the chat and I've been watching on the social. And a lot of people seem to want the 2005 to about 06, about 03 to about 06 Cartel. People want the tech body. People want a picture of me and you. People want them song there. People want them. I feel like say none of these songs haven't been singing. In another show them.
To be honest, I didn't hear none of those, and that was a disappointment. To be fair,
But do you not think because sorry to go on.
I think because in Jamaica, when he did Freedom Street in Jamaica, he gave them everything.
Yeah.
Like he changed and he came out with the jersey and then he went to the Black Cartel, where, the early 2000s. So I feel like that's what people was expecting in Freedom Street, Malta, and he never gave that. So, you know, on the people in his defense, they are entirely right.
Fire, you were going to add a comment earlier?
No, I was going to say, but do we think that's because his new fan base is the TikTok fan base? So were they catering for that crowd as opposed to the old schoolers?
I would say because majority of Cartel's songs is not really TikTok famous like that.
That's true.
Remember, Cartel sang them boss way before TikTok. Like,
True.
That's true.
But you know the young
I would say his new songs when he's done like coming out of jail, like the one song he has on with the girl Amber, was it Amber?
Yeah, with the dance.
With the dance.
With the rope thing.
That's the only TikTok song.
Yeah, from Cartel.
So what I think about Cartel song choice, I think we have to push some of the blame onto Cartel team, to Chrome, to Scatter, and to TJ. Because to be honest, I feel like say they think because he's not in Jamaica, he's coming abroad, they're gonna sing the commercial song. And they should know that Vybz Kartel fans them or die-hearted Gaza fans them know the Cartel song them from start to finish. And them don't want to hear the everyday commercial song them want to hear the Cartel them when they hear a long time.
Let me tell you what the issue is as well. I feel like they are not organized with the tracklist. Like, I feel like when he did Jamaica now, they were more organized. Just like I said, when he came out in the Jersey, he did all of his old songs.
Right.
He should have had segments. You get me? I feel like Chrome was just throwing songs at him. Like, yo, what you have for me next? What you have for me next? And Chrome is just throwing songs and Cartel is just singing them.
Right.
You know what I'm trying to show you?
Yeah.
I don't think he had a track list that was organized. Yeah. And that's where they go wrong, because if they had an organized track list, then they wouldn't really go over the same songs. They would know, okay, cool, we've done this yesterday. Let's make another
shuffle. Yeah, make a one for day two.
Let's shuffle this and move that to this and
What
add this.
Hold on a day. In terms of production, do you feel like the Cartel and his team need to do some rehearsal in terms of like the up forwarding show? Because I feel like most people go to Cartel 2 or 3 times. So I feel like do you feel like you want a bit more production and rehearsal in terms of what he's doing to improve on his performance?
To be honest, I don't think so, because it's more of what he's doing is freestyling, and he's not an artist like Chris Brown where he's
choreography and everything,
and you get me, and then have some crazy shit like go flying around the arena and stuff like that.
Yeah,
he's the thing about the most dancehall artists, they're freestyling when they come to the shows like this, So I feel like it's 50-50. He could, but at his state of health and stuff like that, he can't do too much. You know what I mean? Like and his leg,
even
mash
his
up.
knee.
So it's like he's kind of.
But I think taking that into consideration, Dio, the mere fact that his health isn't up, so he can run up and down on the stage as a younger DJ could. I think, and this is something that we have spoken about prior to him forwarding to do his UK shows, that what he did similarly to Freedom Street in Jamaica, which is have the different eras of Cartel, take some time off of the stage, go change, catch a breath, make the artists them work, or make the DJ them work, or the dancers them forward on the stage. Kind of break up the show a little bit, so people have that expectation of, all right, what is he forwarding with this time?
This is the thing now. Yeah, and what he should have done as well with his performance. I understand he obviously, Spice came out, which, Spice is a performer that, we've seen hundreds of times.
And we know what to expect when she performs.
Yeah, I've seen Spice in the last, like 3-4 times in the last 2 months. Like, so it's like, I feel like he should, when he's performing, when he has his 2 hours set, he needs to bring out some guests that we're not expecting.
Yes.
He didn't do that when it came to Freedom. He brought out Sneakboat in London, Wireless.
Yeah.
Brought out Sneakboat in London. Then he brought out Sneakboat twice in Malta. Like, people are getting tired of that. You know what I'm saying? Like, especially he coming out, like, big up Sneakboat.
Yeah.
But it's like, it's the same.
Could it be a budget thing? Do you think it could be financial or people's schedules?
No,
you don't know.
I don't think it's a budget thing, because like Live Nation monitor.
Even if it's a schedule thing, I don't
Devil's
think it's
advocate.
a schedule thing either.
Yeah.
it could be maybe some artists didn't get a visa, and he probably did want to bring some artists and they didn't get a visa and whatnot.
Yeah,
but it would never be a money thing because
they say that Skelly Bang was meant to be on stage though, and he didn't come up. I heard a few people were disappointed about that.
He didn't get to perform.
Skilly was on the lineup, but even if I'm not sure if he was on the
lineup. Was Skilly in Malta?
No, I didn't see him.
Okay.
Like,
I feel like there's more homegrown talent, especially when he's in UK. What that he could call up on stage, and a lot of artists who are here in UK
dancehall as well.
That could I get a little cameo? Could I get a call up because, like, for instance, Stylo G have a just touchdown song. Him have a verse on it. So stuff like that would need a bit of excitement, a bit of something we not expect. Yeah. Some of them think that definitely. So, but anyway, I feel like
speaking on. Sorry to cut you. Speaking because you asked me like how was
the experience.
My experience. So speaking of my experience now, going on that stage, big up DJ Lani, big up Capo. On the way to Malta, I got a call from Capo, and Capo was like, "Dio, Lani obviously is gonna call me up.
Okay.
He wants me to work with him.
Right.
But like Capo was saying his voice is gone, so he's gonna need a hand.
Right.
So I said, you know what? Like I'm gonna be there, so the opportunity is there. Why not?
Take it.
Like, I booked my flight literally the day before, and I did tell Capo that I'm planning to come, but it's if I find a decent flight. And found a decent flight. Capo then called me, said, "Yo, we're gonna need you on stage as well." I said, "No problem." Like, you know what I mean? Like,
and how was that experience for you? I mean,
it was great. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the crowd response from the crowd was good. Everyone, it was a good experience, man.
And as per usual, this
on there.
Repeat that first, Fire.
I said they were gassed when DL came up.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, the skanking and the vibes. Yeah. They kind of show up, kept go with himself still, but not telling a lie. Upon the river, upon the bank.
Why?
That's it.
Capo, I have do a little dance.
Otherwise,
God no. But big up Capo still, I don't know.
And big up to DJ Larney as well.
Yeah.
He's at work.
And you know what I like about Freedom Street? A lot of younger DJs was on that lineup.
Yes.
And the funny thing is, it's the same thing what Lani and Capo did when they called me. Dynamic called a lot of other people as well.
Gave them the opportunity.
And gave all of them, you get me? So it's like, that's more what we need even in the UK. Because if you can do it outside the UK where you can call up your friends and say, yo, listen, boom, I'm going to be here. Need a strength, I
kind of like that. Just the younger youth, them do it. I call up them one another. And it's all good vibes between all the young youth them and the DJ them. I live good. I like the unity in terms of UK dance at the moment. The unity, you look great, man. Yeah. It's a great look, and you guys, you forward out and execute your performance. Definitely. And the people them love the juggling. Me not lie, so that's a great look for dancehall. One more question. From Vybz Kartel release 1 year and a few months ago to now, do you feel like the dancehall is gone to another level?
Yeah, most definitely. I feel like they're listening more now. Like, the world is listening more now. I feel like before, when Kartel was in jail, there was, a lot of young artists that came, bust out from last year, the year before, you know what I mean, the year before as well. From the last 3 years, a lot of artists has bust, like young artists, and they've been doing their thing because of TikTok, you know what I mean? And TikTok has helped a lot of artists in the dancehall scene become international and worldwide.
Right.
But I feel like since Kartel has come out of jail and start doing a lot of touring, he's opened a lot of ears and a lot of eyes, and I feel like a few artists are stepping up their game as well, and a lot of artists has been quiet too. So
true,
it's 50-50.
But and I mean, we live in the UK, and this is a UK-based platform that we support for UK dancehall artists. And I mean, we've spoken about this particular topic in regards to seeing the UK dancehall artists on a high. I know that at the moment, people are putting out tracks. Beanie G and Pierre have recently released tracks. Young Saber is doing his thing. But I know that there are more than 2-3 dancehall artists within the industry.
That could have came on that stage and mashed up the stage. Yeah,
that could have fought on the stage and shell it down. But I don't think. And I'm go ahead, dear.
Quickly, as a DJ,
Yeah.
when I got on the stage, I say 100 lights. You get me?
Right.
And that's just me being a DJ.
Right.
And you got and I was on the stage for like 10 minutes. So imagine an artist where thousands of people know.
Right.
From the UK and IQ, Rara, Stylo G, you know, like Mario BB. You know,
Yeah.
if they came on that stage, it would have been a next thing.
So
you know?
that I said that to then ask, do you think or UK dancehall artists, especially those within our circles or circle, are doing what they need to do to be recognized, to be on these stages?
Not 100%, no.
And no, they're not. What is it that they need to do from a DJ's perspective and also from an artist perspective? Because you yourself, you're an artist. Yeah. What do they need to be doing, including yourself? Because you know, we have a conversation. We have a conversation about this. What else do the artists need to be doing in order to be recognized, to be brought onto stages such as Freedom Street?
I would say more consistency, like within dropping songs, staying on the media.
Yeah.
Because some of them like they hide in it. You know, they hide. They drop one song, they hide. And I feel like enough for the UK artists, their pride is taking over them. You know, they drop one song and they get that buzz and they feel like, okay, cool. Like, you know, it's gonna work from there now. And even from a DJ's perspective, like, they do need to put out more music and they do need to stay on top of the social media, because TikTok is one place right now that you never know. One song, one lyric, one little routine can make a song hit millions of views. And then, trust me, you could have like, look at the dancer. Remember, a Cartel song.
Yeah.
She did a routine
to
that's
it.
That's a Cartel knew.
Yep.
You know what I mean? That's a Cartel know. So it's just one of those little things where people
just putting yourself out there.
Yeah.
And to be seen. I mean, give thanks for that review of Malta, and also give thanks for the. Go ahead.
Give Cartel his props, because you got to realize, as an artist, we have thousands of songs, and to come out on stage and be singing all of them without backing track.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause enough artists from Jamaica don't do that. You know what I mean? Enough of them are singing with backing track. Yeah.
With backing track or them actual track?
With their track.
Yeah, which to me is quite annoying.
Tencia sings with her track. Like
Jada does as well.
Yeah, so it's like, and they can sing, but I heard that Jada did a great performance because people could hear the clarity of her voice.
Right.
Yeah.
And I mean,
I big them up because of that.
With that being said as well, like, we're in 2025 and people are actually singing over their songs on live performances. Do you find an issue with that, or is this the way to forward? Is this the way for us to go in terms of live performances and backing tracks?
When it comes to dancehall, dancehall artists don't do that. But I feel like any dancehall artist that does that, they've tapped into the American scene or the American way of performing, because that's what American artists do. Like rappers, they sing over their songs, they sing over their tracks. You know, not all singers do.
That's true.
A lot of singers have the quality and have that vocal cord and have that voice that can sing with their
backing
bands,
tracks. Yeah.
And their backing track, and like a little, maybe one or two backing singers.
Ad-libs and stuff. Yeah.
Dancehall artists don't do that. We have made a name from actually DJing on rhythms.
Yo, man, I cut you still. When dancehall artists do it, it don't suit our culture. It don't suit it.
It doesn't.
And people don't like it. So the artists we are doing it and stop it. Because like if people feel like say, we not rap them.
Because we can listen to the song them on Spotify
if we go out
and YouTube.
And people with big money going to one little venue.
Yeah.
We don't want to hear your song or you sing 1-2 thing and then you do like song shake 2 times and that's it. Stop the fuckery. Sing your song on the track. We need to stop it. Because I know go club me come. I beg you please. You see me?
Yeah. In a sense, people are here singing.
Yeah.
You know, but that's what I would say anyway. So Cartel is props to that.
Before you go, please talk about this Sunday. Yeah, I could talk about the fun house because things are going on over there.
Yes. I do actually need to get on top of pushing the event a little bit more now. I mean, the last 2 days, been busy.
So talk to us. What exactly is happening on Sunday?
So this Sunday, it's the second edition of Dio's Funhouse in Croydon. Yes. Funhouse Croydon. For those who don't know, it's a place where you can come and have fun. You know, it's in the name. There's a lot of activities, a ball pit, pool table, ping pong, Connect Four, loads more other stuff, you know, spin the wheel, all of those things. And you can come and party. There's going to be
have a good time.
Segment where, you know, we're just going to, the early happy time as well, you know, drinks and stuff like that.
Well, you have happy hour, yeah?
Half price and stuff like that, you know.
So what time the happy hour going to? What time it start and what time it finish?
7 p.m.
Yeah.
And we're finishing at 1 a.m.
Okay.
If good behavior like the last time, we can go extra time, you know, like, because when we finished at 12 the last time, everyone wanted to stay and we couldn't.
But one of the most important things, dear, that we have to push, people have to forward out early.
The ID.
ID. Forward out early and please bring your physical ID. The first edition, when I get a blind, because it was the first time and people weren't reading the details, so we get a little blind. This time around, if you don't have an ID, there is no entry. Nobody call their phone or their outside.
Hold on there. Excuse me a little bit. Bad mind want to talk. Go ahead.
Deal.
Man, quiet the whole cartel section. Yeah, no.
Nobody about no extra time. If you say at 12 at 12, we need to start abide by time as well.
No, but they will allow it. That's what we're saying.
No, but that's the problem. If at 12, bro, them go and come back for you next time again. That we keep
yes, no. You know what it was though? It was it's the venue that actually advised me to do it an hour later.
Yeah.
Because they realized that the people them did come out a little later.
Yeah.
And they said, listen, we can start a little later and we're gonna put through the license for the late finish.
Right.
If you decide you want to go later,
then
we can go later.
All me I said,
yeah.
The later you put it, the later they want to come out. I just say it.
Well, no. I'm saying it's finishing at 1 o'clock.
That's the time.
It's
so, ladies and gentlemen, 21st of September, Dio's Funhouse in Croydon. If you have not seen that flyer, that means you've been blind because it's sponsored on social media and Dio has been sending it out. So get your ticket on Eventbrite. If you don't have your ticket, you can pay on the door.
Yeah.
Either by bank transfer or you can tap your card or you can pay in cash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have one more topic for talk before we kind of stray out of this section.
You can stay and join this conversation.
Let's talk about the BET Award. It was heavily influenced by dancehall. I see a lot of dancehall acts get recognized. A lot of them get
performance.
Their performance.
I'm gonna lift up, yeah.
All right, and big up yourself, broski.
Yeah, man. Man has respect, yeah.
Safe travels. Take care. Bye.
Yeah.
See, BET Award, as well as say, heavily influenced by dancehall act. You know, dancehall act get their nominees, they get their recognition, they get their awards. It all look nice and pretty because dancehall is on top right now. Do you guys feel everything what's going on with dancehall now and the success of dancehall? Because the other day was Afrobeat on top. Now it's dancehall. Do you feel like it's because of the decline of hip-hop music and R&B music while BT and the American hip-hop rap crowd is jigging and the R&B crowd is jigging back to dancehall like in the 90s to kind of where to call it?
Prop them up.
Rub off for some of who hype
the
for them
thing.
Culture vulture thing. Do you feel like that or do you feel like it's genuine?
Brother, good question.
I'm asking you.
Yo, they never left, dog. It's just that when it slowed down, they never left.
What, the culture vulture vibes?
Yeah, bro. Maybe say culture because we take things from them too. They never left. It's just that them did it on their own situation. We did on our own. Afrobeat go on there, Miguel. Afrobeat died on before even Kartel come out of jail.
Yeah, we're not
Kartel
saying
forward
that.
and just
We
like
agree.
and lock the gate there. And the hype, because every time you book or dance or like for go on them show, I get a trend. So
Birds,
it never did.
let's do a bit of analysis on this now, yeah? Remind me.
I remember
when
Fire's on the line.
Fire as well. Remind me because my might don't remember good because sometimes may have memory lapse. Yeah. So remind me, when was the last big R&B or hip hop song? The last big one.
Big hit of an R&B?
R&B or hip hop song.
So
I say this.
Wait. What Chris Brown song name? The dance routine. I know the dance routine. Me see I do it last week. What song name?
It's a good song, but I wouldn't say that's a global song. Hit? It's a hit song. It's not a global song.
What's the name of the song?
Right. I know it's Chris Brown. I forgot what his name.
The new one that he has a dance routine.
Yeah, Rasta. All right. So I'm just saying this to say this. Remember, hip hop and R&B, it's always been the dominant genre, right?
Yeah.
Out there, otherwise from pop music and that. That's normally the dominant genre.
Mm-hmm.
And that take a back seat because now Afrobeat, they step past it. In a while, remember you'd have the Burna Boy them and them was getting the big hit them, the heavy hit of them,
and
because
they were
them was the more trendier song on TikTok and everywhere. Everybody know those songs.
Yeah.
Right? Hip hop don't find a big song, what I say, in about 2+ years, almost 3 years, a big global song. Dancehall find couple song. We've been trending big on TikTok, globally, on radio station and these things. And I feel like say hip hop, they're flirting with us and giving us love because this BET thing, why do they have to do it now when hip hop is on a decline? Why did not they invite us there when hip hop? Hold on. Remember when Elephant Man have him run? Remember that's the time when dancehall then arise when you have Sean Paul have just give me the light and get busy on them song there. See now Elephant Man they have Pandy River Pandy Bank. Remember that was a heyday in the 2000 bit of dancehall. So now I feel like that dancehall in a heyday in a bit where we're on top of hip hop and they're culture vulturing our culture at the moment.
But the last time Elephant Man performed at the award, it's more recent, bro. Probably a couple years ago, and them always have.
When?
Elephant Man performed there before when they walk from out of the stand up on the stage.
That was a long time.
But in a long time.
Long time, couple years ago.
More than a decade ago.
But I'm talking about recognition.
Hold on.
That's what I said. Like we had 25, so about 10 years ago.
Oh God! Sorry, Fire. Go ahead. With your
their
point?
awards. So obviously they're always gonna push their own music.
It's called Black People Awards. They never call American black people. It's black people.
Bro, BT, come on, let's be real. It's in America for them thing, bro. Come on, man.
It's their thing, and you got to remember that like Black Americans are very patriotic. So they are very much like we stand alone kind of thing. Do you get what I'm saying? So I wouldn't really expect to see much dancehall on there anyway.
So I'm asking this question. Do you feel like they're culture vulturing our thing at the moment now?
They're not, bro.
No, I don't feel like
They've never been. They've never been.
I feel like say a man just a ride off a dancer like now, like, he's cool. So
when you say the person where it has say a feed off of the hype, at the song of Jap with the Cartel and all of them, that not go nowhere. That one,
the one with Bojo and
that not go nowhere. Him fall off of the hype of Cartel, but then it never make no sense. But him not, bro, if you understand, when people say a culture vulture, it means you take things from the genre and or somebody and I give them back nothing. Enough artists benefit from collabing, getting signed, getting whatever recognition them get. They might tell it publicly or not. Them get it. Khalid and all artists them good. Cause when them do him song, him nah link the young artists.
Let me answer a question, Brits.
So you can't say a culture vulture, bro.
Name 5 dancehall artists who benefited of hip hop culture right now or benefit of collab. Give me 5.
Sean Paul.
Shaggy.
Bounty.
Beanie.
Busy?
Oh.
Yes.
Hold
on. You can't say say Alkaline. You can't say
Alkaline. Who benefit? Alkaline not collab with nobody. Brits, go here, man.
Wait. Let's not shoot it down.
Who? Who him have collab with?
Boogie with the producer artist.
How would the fuck?
J Boogie?
Yeah. No.
Brett, stop your
Shut
fuck
up now, my youth. Shut the fuck up, bro. Yes. Yeah. Him.
Who
Is
that?
that his name? Boogie with the hoodie?
Yes.
Who that my boss? Nobody don't know him.
You don't know him.
Okay, so what? We're learning something new today.
Brother, you don't know him, so shut up, bro. Listen,
Alkaline do one song, where song go?
Listen,
I would like to know.
Listen,
I would like to know what's the title of the song.
Him say all them benefit, yeah?
How his song go? Who Alkaline benefit?
Bro, shut up, my dog.
We ask a question.
Jack and Olana,
Bro,
brother.
shut up. One of the on this thing is say them not collab with nobody, yeah? Bro, these people benefit on them own way.
No, but we're speaking about collaboration specifically. That was the question asked. So I'm asking because I don't know the song. What's the name of the song that he has collabed with Boogie with the hoodie?
I wouldn't even remember.
Alright, Mega.
But I know the song. No, I know the song, but I don't remember the name.
Bro, so
but listen, why we call
all
seven?
the alkaline benefits.
Bro, hold on, bro, you have to ask him, bro. The man do something with expand
Nonchalant. That's the name of the song.
with a blue cover.
Did you Google it?
The hard
cover
you know what,
blue.
for YouTube,
The hard cover blue though.
what?
Yeah.
When the producer song,
And him do a song with Sean Paul.
Well,
Sean Paul. What name? Sean Kingston as well.
Sean
the
Kingston
remix.
Jamaica. Chill.
Nope.
Brits, hold on,
If
hold
Sean,
on.
not top of night. If Sean Kingston drop a song right now, it now go up on our chart. So stop it,
Brits,
bro.
hold on there. It's all that conversation work. You talk, me
Bro,
talk. That's how it works.
No, you answer it.
I know you want to talk. Listen,
Stop chat fools.
how did alkaline benefit? How did it benefit?
Bro, the man benefit, the way
How?
benefit. How the fuck me
How? I did not know about that
You
song.
don't know, but
That song don't go. Fire didn't know about that song?
She actually, bro, you see you, yeah.
Yeah, but most probably, but I just don't.
Go ahead, Fire.
I'd have to hear it first.
Okay. It's called Nonchalant, so we
But
can.
Boogie with the hoodie.
Yeah,
You
J
see-
Boogie with the hoodie.
You see you, yeah. When you not hear something, you think it will stop at you, bro. You're
No,
the only
no.
person in the world that you not hear. So what?
But
There you go.
The thing is benefit. How did it benefit?
Bro, if the man benefit by doing a collab
How?
and then end up on Da Vinci runway and everything.
So, Dragon, that's an ignorant question.
Exactly,
because
bro. That's
when he's
stupid.
done-
It's
when
not
he's done a
ignorant,
collab
Fire.
with Boogie with the hoodie.
You know that is in America.
Boogie's fans are gonna know who Alkaline is just from the collab. So
And the collab with Western. Over here.
Who is that?
Texting. See, later I get text right now. See it?
All right. I don't feel like say
You ask.
alkaline
So why you
benefited
stuck at-
from
Wait,
why you
nothing in hip hop
Can I
because like
ask?
he don't even
Bro,
have
why you
like
stuck
a
at
half
him?
reputable song. So
Can
that's
I
not
ask a
beneficiary.
question for a bit of clarity,
Yeah.
All-Star? Because when you asked that question, my thought process was, what Jamaican dancehall artists have collaborations with international or American artists that is well recognized by us Jamaicans? That's how I interpreted the question. That's why I went ahead and said Sean Paul. I went ahead and said Shaggy. Went ahead and said Bounty Killer. And I think I said
Those are
Busy.
people who benefited from
But I don't know if
hip hop.
I don't know
R&B
if
culture.
I don't know if using the word benefited could. I don't know if
benefit will enhance them career.
Bro,
That's what benefit means.
Do you
Something that enhance your career. Something that put you a bit
hold on,
further.
I'm
Did I put
answering.
alkaline further?
Yes, it did.
How?
It did. Cause firstly,
When
the
was
Da
it?
Vinci,
Only
bro,
fan-based,
bro.
This was
maybe
released
know
in
about Dragon, but it
2018.
would
First,
have
my man saying.
and
Andy's fan base.
My man saying.
So,
First,
yeah.
firstly,
It's cool and fine for more people know you, but I'm talking about benefit.
Bro, that
We're
is
talking
benefit.
about benefit.
But that's his
that
Man-
is benefit. What kind of way you talk about?
Hold
That's
on,
when a collabing.
Birds, chill.
Gaining fans from somewhere else.
Chill. Benefit have to be like either you get monetary value for it, right?
Which he did.
Or you get some more shows or something from
Which
it.
he did.
Which I don't know about alkaline.
All right.
Hold on, birds.
Bro,
Birds.
yes, ignorant, bro.
Let me finish.
It's all right not to know, Dragon.
Fire.
It's all right not to know, Dragon.
Let me finish, please. All right. So in terms of somebody benefited from something, for instance, if I'm an artist and I go make a song with a country artist, right?
Yeah.
If I benefit from that collab, I should get in some country show or some country.
necessarily. No, that's
hold on.
bullshit.
Let me finish. Or some people from the country scene is coming over to my concert when I do my concert and log on to my thing. That's benefit. Or I'm getting monetary value.
That's stupid. That's stupid.
What I'm
No, that-
saying.
what
We
the-
can't see it. We
What
can't see it.
What that's stupid there? All right, Cartel over here,
Can't see
Cartel
it.
here, Europe, yeah? And Cartel and Stylogy collab. You see, is Stylogy once on a stage with him? And it's him play a song and then I'm show them? Answer the question.
No, it's not Vybz Kartel song.
No, it doesn't
No,
matter.
but it's a
It's a collaboration.
It's a feature. Different.
Bro, it's a collab, what the fuck?
Collab and feature is
If
different.
what the hell? Jesus Christ.
Rasta, please Google that.
Bro. So if that's not that be the case, no Jamaica, ask Jamaica, no collab, no, I'll be a feature then. It's a feature then.
Yeah.
No, birds.
Name out your collab at Jamaica. Name one.
Collab is when
Name one artist with collab at Jamaica.
Cartel collab.
With who?
Chronic Law collab.
Who him collab with?
Whole heap of artists.
No, now working the whole heap. Who?
Imam Massacre do a collab.
That's Jamaican based, but you said R&B and hip hop was.
R&B.
Yeah, who him collab with?
Okay, go ahead,
No,
Rasta.
answer
Who
the
him
question.
collab with?
Answer the
Cartel.
Yeah, who him collab with?
In America.
In America, right that way. Who him collab with?
Think about that. Cartel. J Books.
Who that?
J Books.
I say, who that?
Go and Google it, no?
Where the song say when it drop?
Huh?
Where the song say? Who for song it is?
Who for song?
Yeah.
You don't really matter.
No. Who for song it is?
Who for song it is?
Yes.
It doesn't
Who
matter.
sang is
Who
it?
for song it is?
Who sang it is? Yeah.
I think it's probably J Boog's album.
And then it say featuring Vybz Kartel, right?
It's collaborated.
Yeah.
Yeah, feature. It says a collab CMA.
No, but okay,
Listen.
so
It's a feature.
Let's differentiate between the two words.
Listen.
Yes.
Please.
They're both different concepts, although they're related. A feature is a guest appearance where one artist contributes to another song, often a verse or a chorus, with the main artist retaining more control and the primary billing. A collaboration implies there's equal partnership, with both artists working together from the ground up and sharing the credit, the control, and potentially the rights of the song. So they're two different.
And the song with Kartel, I guarantee is a feature. I
It's-
guarantee is a feature. 100%.
So if you are featured on a song and you have a concert, can you play the song?
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
It's a part of, yes, you can. Because
Yes,
it's a
you
part
can.
of your set.
So is it not then the same difference? Because that's what we're talking about. Is that not the...
No, it's
different in the context.
in regards to the song itself, the creation of the
If
song.
that's the case,
Because fire. All right. Let me just explain
not
something.
one artist at
Hold
Jamaica
on, guys,
collab
too
then.
many speak.
Not one.
Let me just
person
explain
at a
something
time,
now.
please.
For instance, Vybz Kartel and Stylo G song. Vybz Kartel though are 32. Seeing? And Vybz Kartel is further on in the song. So that means a way more do you must sing over the whole of Stylo G part and Nicki Minaj part and this part here. Bro, some of these songs where people have a little line in or a little verse, it make no sense for you to perform it because majority of the song is not yours. All right. Think about it. The Vybz Kartel and Spice song. Spice can sing it. Like all of him show the Vybz Kartel
So
can
they say
sing
Rampage
it.
have a
Hold on.
collab?
That's a collab. That is a collab.
Me guarantee you if you Google that, that's not a collab.
Ramping Shop is a collab.
Me can guarantee it's not. 100% it's not.
And you know why I would classify it as a collab?
No, you were attack official.
Well, I know.
That's personal.
Let me give you my opinion why I would classify it as a collab. Because both of them, I would say, have equal line for line in that song. Both of them have line for line based on how I know the song.
All right. So back to where I say, you Jamaican and America. You say, if you talk about collab, yeah, then it now going to be 100% by the color feature them get. Or them feature somebody on them song.
Silverlink, big up.
So when I talk about Wake Go, the song with Kartel and the Umbre there, when we get out of it?
Boy, it never gone away.
It not going away for you, Jamaica, but me I guarantee you, some door for Kartel. The other client thing, after the song they drop, Da Vinci, him get all the Da Vinci when not Da Vinci artists, you know. The clothes. He was modeling for them. Remember talk, bro. Yeah? Him go America and do some stuff where him get muddy, whatever deal him get with the clothes, deal him or whatever, yeah. And I wear them thing. That's endorsement, bro. The man go America go do him do. And everybody and I try go with Drake. Popcorn do thing with Drake was the biggest artist in America. What him go do? You see me I say, where you feel like the film, it might say him get streaming, but a film benefit that, bro.
Brett, all right. So in terms of Kartel.
Oh yeah, Popcorn the song of Drake.
Well, yeah. In terms of Kartel, what you call it? Interaction with the R&B and hip hop market. I would not say the hip hop market enhance or do anything for Kartel career. Because Kartel
probably no.
Well I know Kartel built him career from the streets. Am I right?
Every artist
And
did.
Kartel built it from the streets until him get big in our way where Kartel was still kind of underground in Jamaica because Kartel wasn't getting any mainstream play until him get like Ramping Shop. Seen?
What year did Ramping Shop come out?
Ramping Shop,
2008,
about 2008, late 2007,
And
something like that. Seen?
He has
Vybz Kartel,
quite a number of
yeah,
collabs
he have
with international
he have
artists.
number of collab with international artists, but none of them wasn't big. All right. So when Kartel next big song, where Star get we call it major airplay, seen? It was Clark's. When Kartel get Clark's song, that's when Kartel bridge that gap of becoming a way what I call it a local artist to an international artist in a sense. Because now Kartel songs will start play on the BBC and the Capital, it will start get major airplay on the radio station them in New York, right? And in Miami and these places. So now Kartel moved from a Jamaican artist to an international artist. Remember, you know, him still not have a reputable song with an international artist all now.
What year are you referring to?
May I refer to Clark's.
What year was Clark's?
Late 2010 to 2011. Seen? What, Clark's?
Way before that.
No, man. Yeah, you that, Brits.
Clarks was up before teachers better. They get locked
Bro,
up for that.
bro.
Type in Clarks trap.
Clarks about 010. May I tell you? See? Relax, Brits. See? May I tell you? Clarks, when the song the boss, Kartel get him international fame. Then after Clarks...
2010.
Alright. So after Clarks, Vybz Kartel do like so boomsa and start doing like a teacher's pet because obviously Kartel realized say the monopoly him have with the game because at that point he did not have no American visa.
Right.
Most of the artists them then revoke them visa. Hold on a breath. Them revoke them visa, them then I get no help a deal or whatever. Vybz Kartel did start doing one thing, him start branch off in various different business.
Yeah.
Him start do him condom, in rum, in Whistler, all of these things. Him start the teacher's pet. Him start buy up numerous property in Jamaica. Right? Vybz Kartel was feel like in that point like he's untouchable. Based on what we see, that's all Vybz Kartel was operating. Like he's something out of a different world. Vybz Kartel get incarcerated, right? Then him come out and get him second international song, Fever. When him get Fever, different ball game called here and now. People international market now start look on Kartel career different and them realize say he respect what him have in a street and in Jamaica. And that's all Vybz Kartel get. We call it this big global stardom because them realize the story and them go do them research. We never know Vybz Kartel. Remember Vybz Kartel never get that big international run they like all the artists. Remember Popcorn get an easier run in the international scene because Popcorn always have connection with Drake them and stuff because
in America though.
Well, yeah, him not on a visa. Well, on a birds, that's a different thing. Drake run embassy. So yeah, when Popcorn do like so, when Popcorn do like so and get him little link up with Drake and him feature because remember I know Drake was around Movada first. Who remember back when Vybz Kartel just went into prison when Drake gave Movada some money to build a little what you call it one library.
Yeah.
One library.
Some education thing.
Yeah. And the man them never have the money saying.
Bro, we straight all the way.
It costs a little cost. But so
well I
know. We just talk about this.
You just trying to validate.
But an idea. Popcorn forward and get a link with Drake. Popcorn benefited from that relationship. We are talking about benefit.
How him benefit?
Yeah, but hold
because
on.
Popcorn do a song with Drake and that when Popcorn gets really big at England because Popcorn did have the Clarks thing. Well,
I think
Popcorn did have the Clarks thing, but Popcorn get really big in England whenever Popcorn star come at England. It's always when Drake there. Remember when Popcorn did just a forward at England enough? Every time Drake was in UK, Popcorn was here.
Hold on.
That's when Popcorn get this big link in England.
Can I stick a pin in the discussion, please?
Yeah.
I think the word benefit is a broad word and people benefit differently from collaborations and features. We see people's careers taking off based on who they've collaborated with. Their following might have grown. Their revenues might have grown as well. The benefit for Alkaline and what's his face? J Boogie? Boogie with the hoodie. Yeah. It might have...
But he's not a small artist in America either, so it
might have benefited him in a different light. Maybe not to probably your liking All-Star, maybe dependent on that, but there was some sort of benefit. We will not see everything based on the fact that we're patrons, supporters of the artist them. Yeah. So him probably get benefits in other manner that we can't really see.
Remember this, where some man understand, even with it's not there, even with the Western, even the text in there, bro, that was big hair fam. Like before him do that with Western, him did have anticipation before him do that. Yeah. Then him do it worse because there was the rising of the UK group until whatever happened. You see me? And that song they hit like it did numbers. Where did them get was it gold or diamond or whatever plat them get feet? Yeah? So when I say the benefit, bro, the man them collab or feature, where you want to call it,
whichever one.
You benefit them in a way. Okay. Kartel do a bag of fish. The Kartel has spliced the song with Eminem one, That an official feature, but is Eminem gonna say shit? Because Eminem know who Kartel is. Everybody in America, when in the business, know who him is. It's just that if he did get to go to America at the time when him I go so, it wouldn't be 13 years later. Yeah. He would get the money where I talk about, are the 20,000 in a thingy, but it could have grew same, you see me? Obviously now, 13-year gap, everybody will grow up on the music, who grew up listening to music, and America that, New York. New York is like London with Jamaican, bro. So when I talk about Calabria, these man get whatever them know a reason why. The benefit is a man say, yo, may I pay 50,000 and forget a feature cause I yard the person I yard now. Or massacre when him sign to thingy. Fee benefit could be financially more than anything else.
Different for everybody.
You don't know, no, cause win a seat. We I say, yo, it's toast. When Sentia go, she might get other look at link where she never could have get if she do a song. Could have be a rubbish song, Spice are the same. She do features, she depend on hip hop. Bro, everybody wins in a different way. Now the way you want them win.
Question.
And this
question
is the
about
last
artists.
topic.
Last question.
Yeah, on this topic because we have one more topic and 20
all right.
minutes left.
In terms of like dancehall artists who flirt with hip hop scene, I'm gonna mention 2 artists' names. Spice and Shensia.
Yeah.
Who you feel like say benefit more in terms of flirting with hip hop scene and who get the biggest opportunity?
Spice.
Who get the biggest opportunity?
Spice.
Yes. Spice get the
She
biggest
got one of the biggest show in America, bro. And that show they propel a lot of female artists' career. Remember that.
You agree with that, Rasta?
Yeah.
But it's facts.
A lot, and
I
exposed a lot
It's
of the
facts,
American
bro.
audience in Jamaica as
What the
well.
hell?
I agree. Not because...
Disagree.
Brother,
because-
you do what that show does for female artists. Even wash up artists whenever. But you can do your research before you come
I
back.
disagree.
Go ahead. Explain to us why it is that you disagree.
So this all right. To be on a reality show, right? It's a double-sided sword. See? In a sense, expose you as a person. Not your music, not your craft.
But you have to understand. You have to understand.
Yeah,
Hold
brother,
on.
All those
Stick up in.
people on there are
Stick up
in the,
in.
most of them
You
is
have
in
to
the music
understand.
profession,
I'm gonna let me
Jesus
land. See? Shensia get exposed to some major producer. She gets some major collabs, right? She gets some collab where other artists dream of. And I don't think like she benefited more than Spice. I think like say the opportunity where she get.
What you're agreeing with
Well,
us.
I know.
We said.
No. The opportunity where Shensia get, she get the best opportunity, but Spice benefit the most in terms of the opportunity where Spice get. Spice get a reality show. So reality show money, it's about your lifestyle. And hold on there. You see, with your lifestyle, it's either 2 things. Either people can like you or hate you. You don't have nothing to do with your music.
Let me ask you a question now. Hold on. Let me ask you a question now, Star.
Yeah.
I'm going to paraphrase what you've just said. You said Spice and Shensia both got opportunities, but Shensia had a bigger opportunity that was fumbled and could have benefited her more. But Spice's opportunity on being on a reality TV show is more about her personal life than her music.
Yes.
Do you understand what Love and Hip Hop is all about? Have you ever watched an episode of the show? And you're still going to take that stance?
Yes.
I disagree with you 100%.
Bro.
And here's why. Hold on, here's why.
This guy.
Here's why.
This guy.
Yes, Shensia was with Ramesh Entertainment, partnered up with, I forgot the name of the other management company or whoever it is that she was partnered up with. She get the opportunity. The collab in which you're referring to, which I'm assuming you're referring to, is the collaboration with Megan Thee Stallion.
No, she get Wally before that.
Yeah,
Tiger, the biggest one she
but she did that collaboration and it was good. It might not have reached to where she expected
but
it to.
exposed her to the
However,
market.
the collaboration that I was most disappointed with was the one with Megan Thee Stallion because she could have done a whole lot more.
Yes.
Fine, and I'm assuming that's one of the factors as to why you've made that statement. Now, Grace Hamilton and Spice, she will always say it, same person, two different personas, 2 different people, same individual, same body. Love and Hip Hop gave Spice a larger opportunity in terms of, because as much as she did Atlanta, whole heap of producers, whole heap of opportunities. She's opened businesses, not businesses.
Right.
She has.
Let's speak about music. We're talking about music.
No,
We're
you're showing
speaking
an
about.
music.
We're
Opportunity,
speaking.
bro.
We're talking about music. We're talking about artists and music.
All
We're
right.
not talking about them personal
Will I
life.
be? Can I?
Music.
Can I get the opportunity to finish? She's had the opportunity to do businesses as well as in terms
Speak
of.
about music only. Thank
Can
you
I-
very much.
No, Dragon, you can't.
No,
do
you
that.
can't do that because you said opportunities.
Yeah,
We're
we're talking about music.
Open doors.
We're talking about music. Music. We're talking about.
Right.
Can I get the opportunity to finish? Thank you. Open doors in terms of music, because who she's around on the TV show, they're producers, they're artists, they're songwriters, they're people who are hosting events. Some of these events that Spice goes onto, if she was still in Jamaica and not on Love and Hip Hop, she would never have the opportunity of doing some of these shows. She would never have the opportunity of meeting some of that shows in Atlanta. Where's she going to stay in Jamaica?
Wait. Tell me when I show them.
I don't remember all the shows off the hand.
Tell me when I collab them.
We're not talking about collab, bro.
Hold on.
Wait.
Sorry, Fire.
Nightclub appearances. Sorry.
Which? Go ahead, Fire. No, don't apologize.
Which
Go
one?
ahead.
Appearances.
What's up here?
That we wouldn't know about because we are in the UK.
Some of the hold on.
We only can talk about things we know about. We can't talk about things what might happen now.
No. I'm hold on.
We're talking about
Can
facts
I
and
finish?
evidence.
But what she's saying we know about.
Facts and evidence. Fox News, NBC, NBC, the various platforms that she has gone onto because of her music. It's because she's on Love and Hip Hop. She would never be in Jamaica and get a Fox TV morning slot interview.
Yes,
because
100%.
of her music.
All right.
Let's be real, all-star.
Remember talk now, you talk one time.
Let's be real.
When you talk about, you might say since you found the artist opportunity more, bro, you know how Spice get on Love and Hip Hop? At airport, the girl MCR, and at them run up to Spice and say, let's take pictures. It's recorded, you can look with yourself. And then after that, obviously, they have conversation.
And we're going to read some of the comments after you made your statement.
If Jamaica Chic Circle, and she there at airport, remember she look like them with her whatever, yeah? And them say, hey, girl talk, boom, they on Love and Hip Hop. Bro, that grew her fan base on her Instagram dramatically overnight. Yeah? She did on the show. She do what she do as Spice. She kept it Jamaican, yeah?
She kept it real.
She kept it Jamaican, and that's what they wanted. Them never want to, you come chill, because them have her because of authenticness. Boom.
Right.
Shensia ain't go pani.
No, on different.
No, that's a different show.
It's a different,
and she and Spice did on that
she and Spice were on it, and that was the first time they spoke for a really long time.
Let me finish here. So,
Miss Rose, big up
you
yourself,
go up on a platform, everybody in the business over there we can help you, yeah?
Yeah.
Since she fought from the next side of the kind where she fought on street music, and it don't. She fought from Love and Hip Hop, try music, it two of them not going nowhere night. But guess what? Spice end up being more also name America and a more state than she. If you turn them to do a show now in the same place next to each other, sorry for saying shit. Matter how much you're going to say, send good. Bro, you have to understand, Spice is the, but that's how I say she's something I'm like, you have to talk to it. She's the biggest female artist in Jamaica.
She's the queen of dancehall. Can I just read some of the comments on TikTok?
And the show and the opportunity in America, it worked for her, bro.
Some of the comments forwarding on TikTok. Love for Travel K says Shensia gained more opportunities than Spice, more brand deals than Spice. She has bigger opportunities and more support. Besides Love and Hip Hop, Shensia has a greater support system and opportunities. Love and Hip Hop has given Spice larger opportunities, while Shensia's image gave her wider opportunities.
But none of them are take. Either way, take it. It's why they end up in the same place.
Yeah. And apparently they were trying to recruit Shensia on Love and Hip Hop at one point.
So basically, what I see,
yeah.
You have this thing where you remember Spice did the song called Colorism.
Yes.
And because Shensia is a pretty girl, and Shensia, we are talking about music, we're not talking about business. Shensia have the most opportunity in terms of, as well as a brand deal, collab, working with like the top notch producer, top notch producer house, top notch DJs. Spice did not get none of that. But Spice come out the victor in the small opportunity which get. If you take Love and Hip Hop from Spice, right? You say that's her largest American move. Remember, in her last half, Shensia and Russian them a link up. After him done flirt with the whole hip hop producer them and thing. I'm just telling you, so in terms of opportunity and people who Shensia work with, it's not equal.
You know, should I say?
In terms of opportunity, where two of them get in terms of music.
Opportunity given and take is two different things. The two of them get opportunity. Two of them
That's why I asked who get the big opportunity. Who get the most opportunity.
But getting most and not to come out tight, because I said to you before, the two of them get them chance. But the one thing where Spice win with, even the song never go nowhere, she still left on Love and Hip Hop. So the opportunity she get, still with her bank account. Sentia end up back at Jamaica, do what she do, Sentia. But now I say she flop her, they kick her out. But I say she not back her yard. Spice do some things in America where she can afford to live in America. You see me? And live comfortable in a way we are say. But now I say, true, I don't know if I catch me, I don't know. But just I say, because I say from what I say. Spice have the opportunity she have, keep her up on a long jeopardy, a long journey. Since she get a chance, bigger chance as one say, and she drop flat too. Because two of them do a song over there, and who do them do over there, in a resonate back to the American market, the Jamaican market, you see me? Because them say two of them not going away. But yet Spice still the America do more show, way more show a year time than Sensia. So opportunity, bigger, cool, but which one's better?
Sorry, Alicia, we're going to move to the last topic because we are out of time. Alicia, 28, you're asking if we can't see people in the box. I'm not really seeing anybody else except Fire in the box. So if it is a case that you want to join us for the last topic, send a request and we'll accept you, and then we'll bring you in for the last topic.
All right,
All-Star.
Kier or no Kier, quick cameo. Cranium, Caribbean Awards.
Music Awards, Makir.
Steve Harvey moment.
Kier or no Kier.
Makir.
Do you guys feel like say
let's give a bit of backstory to it as well.
All right,
so what the award name first? What him get?
The Caribbean Music
R&B, the category.
Oh, the category. Okay.
The best R&B dancehall artist of the year.
Yeah.
R&B dancehall.
Yeah, R&B dancehall.
That's what they call like
Caribbean Music Awards that took place. Is it in
It's a fusion between America.
In New York.
It's a fusion between America and the Caribbean.
And take it into context that he lives in America as well, but he does dancehall. So
yeah.
Go ahead.
So Cranium been supporting the show for numerous years. He went here before this went this year perform.
He went the first year it started.
So obviously them presenting with an award for the best, we call it dancehall R&B song of the year.
Yeah.
Him receive him award, guy me yard.
Dancehall artist of the year.
Yeah. Him go him yard and show your award, they take a picture of them, blah blah blah.
One about him life.
Just not for no say a few days down the road.
A week later.
Then would I call him and say, boy, Cranium, you know we have got to take back that trophy there, rank category you get no my boy.
And then create one and nobody enough.
And create a new category because obviously I think it look bad, and strip all of the videos and pictures with Cranium. Receive the award off the page.
And the new category which they said he won was R&B dancehall song of the year.
Wasn't exist.
Which never existed before. Which never existed before the award ceremony.
Don't you feel like it's disrespectful?
Of course it's
disrespect. You want to hear a joke about it? The category said R&B dancehall or Caribbean. There is no one else when we can think of in
Who's
Jamaica,
going to win it?
In a Jamaica, yeah.
But Cranium doesn't sing R&B.
No.
Cranium is a dancehall artist.
No, listen.
It's a fusion,
you have
but
to
he
listen.
says it.
Cranium fusion, yeah. That's why when him bus from America, it didn't make sense. Cause
that's where the man lived from he was a child.
No, we must say.
Cranium doesn't sing R&B.
I'm talking, man.
Sorry.
It's dancehall, yeah. We know it's a dancehall.
Yeah.
But if you listen to certain things what him say, it resonate with him I live at the moment, yeah. Then that obviously must say America in bus from He was really actually the only person really at the time. And Jamaica Fusion Night, yeah. The award they said that Dexter Dapp is strictly Jamaican. Him sang them cool, but if Dexter did win, no other complain. Cranium win, nobody that complain. I don't think Dexter should tell himself keep that to himself. The man get the award, which is that's the solely things him deserve. So when them say after Dexter, no.
Who said it was for Dexter?
Dexter will get the award.
All right. Hold on there now.
It was Dexter Dapp.
Hold on there. Them say Dexter forget it, but hold on there. Let's move back to this bit. Cranium do not sing R&B.
Oh gosh.
It don't matter where you're from.
All right.
And Cranium is a singer, but Cranium is a dancehall artist not because Cranium can sing better than Dexter Dapp, but if you listen to Cranium song them, Cranium, him not twang, him not try sing like an R&B song. Him sang them predominantly on dancehall beats, and they're in dancehall flavor. He's not an R&B artist.
Question. Name one Jamaican artists then will deserve the award then?
Breast.
No, name one.
It's not. I don't.
No,
Or
no.
a Caribbean.
Name a Caribbean artist.
Breast.
All right, no, no.
They shouldn't have that category.
No, they have
Oh,
it.
so that's
No.
your point.
No. Better you say them for dash it away. Do not say the
Because they
person.
create the category.
Hold on.
The game.
They
Guys,
created
remember
it.
They
Fly's
should not
on the
have
line
it.
and she
Alright.
also has points to
They
share.
created it. Them
Yeah.
have other people in category where them know say was
Would be fitting.
fitting it.
Yeah.
And the man will win it. Him deserve it. So if
What are you talking about?
bro,
My last.
in the category where him win R&B dance or whatever, I can't remember, yeah, and him alone in the category. For
Him
winning.
one another because
Yeah, it
they
wasn't.
created and gave it.
Jesus Christ.
No, there were other people in the category.
The original award,
The original
Dragon.
one.
The original award
It
is
was-
it's not the R&B one.
Yes, it
It's-
is.
oh my days,
How would he
bro.
win
When
it
it
if
had-
that was
Hold
not
on,
the
hold on,
original
hold
one?
on,
And-
hold on.
Hold on,
Bob,
and people
listen to that.
voted.
All right. Please read the category that.
They have stripped it from
Hold
their
on.
page. It's
Hold
no
on.
longer on
Hold
their
on,
page.
hold on. So, the category where him win first. Let me finish and let's not get things mixed up. So, the category that they give him the award for, right?
Yes.
It was the best dancehall song of the year.
Stop.
Hold on, something
No,
like that.
Stop.
Hold on.
no, it's not.
Let me finish. Let me finish.
It's
That's
wrong.
not what it was.
That's not what it was.
You're
Dragon.
wrong.
Let me
Dragon does-
finish.
he
Nah,
not
let me
finish
finish.
it.
Breads, make him done.
Let me
Make him
finish.
finish. Go ahead.
The category when them take back the award now is the best dancer R&B.
Dragon, stop.
Bro, Bill Naman.
The
Look for
category.
it now.
All right. Give me 2 seconds.
Look
Bro,
for it.
the way I say first,
And
Guys,
then-
everybody.
Both are you gonna apologize to me
I'm not apologizing.
afterwards?
Everybody be quiet, please.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wait, sorry. May I have to stop something?
you have to come off of the thing.
Yeah, I have to come off the live first, and then I'm going to leave. I'm confirming that. Close that.
Yeah.
When I got your
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
That's what me know. You know, so
we're just gonna
I
play
don't
the
like
video.
crowd, I don't like mix up, I don't like passa. It's not my thing. I've never been that person. Anybody who's a Freedom fan knows that was never my thing. In all my time in music, I've always just been doing my own thing. Mind my blood clot business. Fuck pussy, suck breast. That's it. That's all me doing.
Easy money.
Money and mind my business. Because
Definitely.
I know music can be. And that never fell in my head. Music never fell in my brain. I'm a dancehall international artist that is based in New York City. And I represent for New York 100%. You know why? Because I know
What did he
how
say?
hard it is.
He's a dancehall.
Artists represent
International artist that represents for
Dancehall.
where?
New York.
That represents
That's
for.
live in New York City. Play it, Trust and stop it, because you look like something wrong with the ears.
He represents for New York.
Play it.
Okay.
Stop.
Boss from New York. So me try my best to bring it as far as me can. To influence every blood clot youth. Everyone, whether they are foreign or the overseas, they feel like them can boss and be accepted in the culture. Because one thing we know about Jamaica and the Caribbean, if them like your music and it's real, them are going to work with it. You don't have to fake or pretend. I never pretend, maybe myself. I've never been disrespected in my whole entire life by nobody. Like what the Caribbean Music Awards did to me.
So what them do?
And me will never forgive you. You know why me never forgive you? Let me tell you why.
Start what them do though?
When I call my phone and ask me to come perform on a show, I never ask you for no award. I never ask you for winning an award. I just say, yo, may I come perform. You know why? It's New York. It's New York City.
You did that no show?
It's only right for me to make sure I come through and show love. Like I did the first year.
So you never did no show,
The show
Cranium?
Think of
was
features.
being a thing for the first time. I came out of my bed and come perform. Matter of fact, and I swear to God, lightning strike me. This year I didn't even take a show in New York because I didn't want it to collide with phone show.
Wow.
So I didn't even take no money. You hear me tell you? When it was 3-4 weeks close to the show, I said no. Me didn't take no after party, nothing. I said no. Me not take no hosting. Me
Jaja.
call them show and I go represent. When you call me perform, me come off a stage, me give speech, everything. They get at least 45 minutes to an hour after. And when you call me a week after to tell me, say, only make a mistake.
What kind of mistake?
Give me. 1 week after. And to add insult to the injury, you know what bothered me the most? It's not the fact say when you make a mistake, which is fuckery, but that's not what I mean. When I would tell me say the mistake that when you make was that I was not supposed to win Caribbean R&B Dancehall Artist of the Year.
Okay.
I was supposed to.
What did they say, Jagan? Let's play no more.
What category? No,
No,
don't
answer the question.
I'm going to ask.
No, tap.
I'm going to ask you a
I
specific
sincerely
question.
apologize.
Okay.
Twice.
Bye-bye.
You may waste our
Thanks
3
for the
minutes for the
effects,
reason
fire.
at all.
No, we're going to listen to your next part.
Fool.
Caribbean R&B Song of the Year. How the fuck for win that when that was never even a category?
When him say, hold on, play about that bit.
Oh,
Play,
if we win that, well, it's not even a
hold on,
category.
play about that bit, and just chill, listen,
No, me want you to listen.
play back. Hold on, chill, play back, and only just listen for a bit. Play back.
Okay. Fire, ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Caribbean R&B Song of the Year. How the fuck for win that when that was never even a category?
Sang, bro.
Are you ready to apologize?
Not artist,
no,
bro.
hold on. You apologize to Breads, to Fire, to me, and
Everybody.
everybody on the line.
apologize already.
No,
And
that's
I'll
not
tell
an apology. You have to do it.
No, because you just tell me say no. We don't forget say you. So,
Come forward,
so-
apologize to
Apologies
Breads.
and
No.
continue.
bro,
Yeah, and this we can't take with your friend in the fire. So,
And
anyways,
how long we
let's
be here?
forward back to the
see
point.
no,
Atasa,
no.
play it. Atasa,
No.
find it.
Yeah,
not
let's
Atasa
play the
moment.
wrong ad lib to her.
It's for criticism. Atasa, there you go. Right, so let's forward back to the point. So the point was, we do care about this situation
Yeah.
because of Okri them go on with. You give the man the award, you invite, as him say, him not take no other show, him forward, him never push
And
up
give them the
himself
full
and
support.
enough of himself and say, yo, me can make you
Feel
stop
like
on the
that.
show. Or they can do this. Him never, una call the man phone and say, yo, my G, fall come perform and fall for your award. And then you're going to take back the award. A week later, the man said him that 45 minutes to an hour after him touch stage. Anybody from the team could have said, Jano, bro, you know, say Ray.
Them take back his trophy.
They should have left
Yeah.
him with
They
it.
should have
What
just
happened?
leave
So,
it.
Jagan, so answer me this now, Jagan.
Just leave
Since
it.
you know so that out of the topic in a category, yeah.
Yeah.
Him the in there, and clearly Dexter that, I don't always see that the category, yeah, I'm not gonna lie upon that, yeah.
I tried to look, they've taken it
If
down.
one
so
of
you
the
can't
two,
see
I
it.
say two of them, yeah. Anyone win it, right? Kaida say, to Dexter that sing, him give that flavor the two as well. Like say, him can go try sing R&B song.
To be honest, Cranium have the better song for
No, but you're not hearing me. I say, we're not talking about that. We're not talking about that. We're not talking about that again. The
It's
point.
fire. Someone said, who else is talking? Sorry, it's fire. Fire's on the line.
No, nobody
Fire's
wants
on the
that.
live.
Hello, Peter.
Go on, the dog.
For talk, fire,
Go on.
talk. No, all right. So basically, me I say, yeah. Either way you take it, bro, yeah. The fact that the two of them, that they don't know more about it,
Yeah.
we just know say them don't want to get Dexter, so we don't say him the involved. It's say R&B, dancehall, whatever, yeah. Jesus, true.
Excuse
word.
me. Sorry.
So the fact that the youth, no matter where from sing dancehall, like UK, no matter if you sing dancehall, you're gonna always have that little thing there. Yeah? Dexter that born in Jamaica, live in Jamaica, travel,
Right.
but him a sing as well, right? If Dexter did win,
Oh, really?
it wouldn't be a problem.
All right.
They apparently did that to Young Brother.
Yeah,
as
the
well.
year before, maybe people comment and say it.
All right.
Oh, okay.
And if him win, and a problem. It's
Wickedness them.
It's like
Yeah.
it gone a week, bro. Just like it go on, man.
And
Boy,
I mean, your own people, them
Yeah.
doing that.
People time
You
I
sure
go
them? You
fast.
Well, who
fast.
keep that show anyway? Caribbean award.
Yeah. Time I go.
Them?
Ti-
Reds, are we boycotting them?
Time I go fast. That's why I don't like when Jamaican involved with the rest of the Caribbean, cause we're different. But anyway, time I go fast. And I feel like say,
That's a race.
me feel shame. Me feel shame. So me I play one little video, and then
Alvin, we're ready for you now.
want wanna go give an opinion after me play the video, cause it's a lifestyle moment. I'm gonna play the video now. So yeah,
Alvin,
this are this.
you
Alvin,
ready?
you ready? All right.
Yeah.
Do is smoke weed and look at every woman and breed her. That's their thing.
Who does that?
West Indians. They come over.
West
here,
Indians smoke weed.
smoke weed. They want to breed.
That's
every woman they
wild.
Yeah.
No.
Now let him finish. Let him finish. Let him finish.
They want to breed. Genuinely.
Go on then.
Not all of them.
Yeah.
just different Jamaicans. Some come over here to work their arse.
You're Jamaican yourself, right? Right.
No.
No?
I'm British.
Okay, sorry, my bad. Your parents?
When I go to Jamaica, they call me an English.
Yeah, your
So
parents?
let's not fuck about.
So your parents you're talking
So
about?
my grandparents.
Your
My
grandparents.
parents were both born here.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So when you go over there,
Your granddad, is your granddad one of them?
I'm born here. Oh, what did they say? English, yeah.
Okay, you're English. So what are you? You're English youth then. So now you're English youth. We're all English youths. This is my country. I have no other country to go to. If I go to another country, look. If I go to another country, I need papers. I need visa. I need a career before they accept me in there. Or
I think this is a Tassa moment, Cap.
I don't know if you want to do that yet because
hold on.
I saw the follow-up on this.
Hold on, Fire.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Can
Hold
you
on.
hear us?
And Fire, 1 second. I know what you're going to say, but I will play about the video for anybody who want to watch the video good to make sure it's not tampered with. It's running. Watch the background if you want to know when a video is tampered with, and watch if there's any jump or if any movement from any place to place. Okay, cool. Go ahead, Fire. Go ahead, Fire.
I'm just saying, I saw a follow-up. I don't know the stance on it or anything, but what he's saying is, his point was, why is it being blocked for the West Indians to come over here? And the most that they do pertaining to crime is smoke a little weed and breed 100 gal. That was his point. It wasn't about we shouldn't let the West Indians in because of that. It was because it's being blocked for us. Because if you think about how much has to be paid if you're bringing someone over and all of that, the immigration, no access to public funds, all of that, for the West Indians, it's a lot of money.
All right, Fire. So the point of the video where a lot of people have problem with.
They cut it. Yeah.
No, it's maybe that bit is cut off, but it doesn't really matter because the rest of the video is just wrong. Because obviously, he's trying to say he's not Jamaican, he's English. When he go to Jamaica, they call him British youth. His parent is Jamaican.
No, his parents are British.
He says his parents are British.
First
He says
generation.
grandparents are. So he's disassociating himself from his heritage, basically.
I don't think he was disassociating himself. I'll disagree with that.
Fire. And the video say clearly,
I'm born in England, so I'm going to disagree with what you're saying.
All right. Would you classify yourself in a nationalist rally like what's going on Saturday, right? You come out with a British flag. Remember, most people were saying this rally is about the British nationalism. People who want to get people out of this country because they're saying too much immigrant is in this country. So because he's associating himself with that rally, and the thing where him say it doesn't matter if the first bit come off, it's just the end bit what we hear. It sounds very racist and he's distant himself from his heritage and from Jamaica. Remember him say, him don't have nowhere to go back, no country to go back.
Him not lie.
See?
Yeah, but even the deportees don't. But hear what I'm saying. What I would say is that another thing that a lot of people are, I don't know, because we all know there's racists and NFs out there. But a lot of people was at the rallies, and what they're saying is they're not saying no to immigration. They're saying no to illegal immigrants coming over here. Do you understand what I'm saying?
There's a
So when
difference.
you put that into perspective,
Yeah.
in a real life, if there are people over here that we don't know their background and where they came from and we can't track them to anywhere, that is a problem. The problem is not letting the immigrants in. It's letting the people that we don't know about in.
Fire. Question. A lot of our family, our foreparents, right?
They were legal.
Hold on.
They can be traced.
Fire.
So they are not in the
A
same
lot of
category.
fire. A lot of our foreparents, our great grandparents come here who paved the way for a lot of us. Make a lot of us born here and have
Absolutely.
Remember fire. Remember a lot of them get sent back the other day because them say they was illegal in this country.
Them send back for
right? Them send back
You know what?
a lot of them
that was another problem because those people, Dragon. Wait, sorry.
Yes, fire. Why we never black no phone and go rally for that?
Let me cut you for a minute because everyone needs to cross their T's and dot their I's.
Yeah.
A lot of those people that got sent back, you see when they were supposed to come over and apply for their British passports, they didn't. And that's why their paperwork got lost. So that's what gave the government, the power to say we can't, because remember they said they lost everyone's documents, they can't find it.
Yeah.
If you had applied for your British passport like my granny and my grandfather did, when you're supposed to, they would have it. Now, that's not me saying that it's a right thing, you know, but what I'm saying is that we need to put into perspective, are we talking about illegal immigrants or are we talking about immigrants?
In general.
Because personally, if you're a youth that I don't know, I don't want you in my house. If I can't track you, if you do some kind of crime and I can't pinpoint who you are or where you came from, I don't want you. Let's put it in another perspective as well. You see, when these immigrants come from other countries, it is for the UK to build the countries that they come from. Did you know that?
Yep.
Yeah. Fire. Hold on there. Not cutting you.
So if they're illegal, who we billing?
Fire. Not cutting you. But me and you know, and all of us know, back in the days, people is coming up on other people's name and say, and because them time there, it was an invitation letter and say, Mas Joe, I'm cousin Ray. When I know him name Shane Brown, you know, I'm neighbor. And Ray, but him come up in this man name. So obviously him can't get the right documents. Him can come here and live. That's why enough of them never get no passport because they can't. But them come build a life and them start a family.
Jagan, no. Jagan.
Fire. Well, I know. What do you need?
They were part of the Commonwealth.
Jagan.
Fire. But what do you need to get invite more than an invited letter? Fire. Well, I know back in ideas when you used to get an invited letter for come to England, right? Before the visa thing, right? So when I get the letter, remember, I know, he used to say, may I invite Breads. Breads, I'm a far cousin. Remember, I know, I didn't have to prove, say, me and Breads are family. It's a letter say Breads are my family, Ray. And me say, Breads are this man, Ray. And our Breads name Shane Brown. And this man here, Breads now come up in a Smaddy's name. Why? Because...
What does his passport say?
Well, I know.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, I know, Rasta. Because back in the days in Jamaica, you see much somebody get passport in other people's name.
Yeah, but...
Loads of people. And come a foreign in other people's name. So a lot of people who come to foreign come by illegal ways and illegal means and come here and start family and create a whole life. I you never know. Not for the time you get lost down the line. Your great-great-grandparents, you never know. Them good at immigrant and couldn't get no paper because we see people in England were elderly and them still do not have the right documentation because it's not easy for you. If you come up in the wrong means, it's hard to get the right documents.
How many people forwarded up?
A lot of people.
Dragon,
but Dragon, if they came up in the wrong means, they can apply for the passport in the wrong means.
Same way.
So
and have
wrong means it's all the way through. Dragon,
no, Fire has shed some light in regards to people, the passports and the papers being lost, and people were being told that, hey, you need to apply for your passport XYZ time. Me never know about that part.
Plus.
So the mere fact that the opportunity.
Before, let's go back to the video.
No, hold on.
Let me say something.
Before the opportunity, before the whole getting out of the country, the opportunity was provided for you to say, even if you forward upon a wrong name, go get your passport, put in your documents, this, that, and the third.
And the winner's time, was paper, literally paper, Bro, some people, if the man at the company news, female mother was told, him good. Him and if you apply for nothing yet. So him come here, go school, have 5 pitney, 20 grand pitney, some great grand name.
Yeah.
The man read 60 or whatever. Them end up saying they want to go home. Send home the man a couple more people. We never have a black road and them something. The kind of thing work it upon whatever, All of a sudden them send back for them and start them out. Bro, they know what they were doing. Like them see some people them want shift and things say it was like one time people dunce. Technology up now, everybody have sense. You see me? You can last document, but original parchment paper still in the archive.
All right, Brits. When I was trying to find topic too much.
May I go back to the video now?
Yeah.
When I first see the video, I say, yes, man. Then I comment and say, yo, so you're going to get the pum-pum. Joke. But then, when I see it again, and I'm like, you know, say, me that say, way more than a march, and them say, you know what? I can't fault him. The man born here, bro. Him parents them born here. I'm grandparents some of the heritage, where them are learning. The youth can say what him want say and do what him want do. Cause what him say, him can't get report than the postcode where him come from. And the man country, bro. I hear him come from. So it's so I'm gonna use third generation people and custom because say, but your family, bro. You keep on like I said, it's like a question. Your parent.
Yes, he can get deported.
He cannot get it, but keep on telling that, bro.
Shamiba.
He cannot, bro.
Hold on there. The girl.
When his mom and dad's born here.
Hold on.
His mother and father. His second generation, bro.
Brett.
You are what your mother is.
Brett. The girl when named Shamima, big. And remember the girl who go Afghanistan and Rere and them.
That is a one-off case.
Hold on.
She's a terrorist,
Hold on.
bro. She's
No.
a terrorist.
Yeah.
Hold on.
A terrorist.
Hold on. You see, them
She's not even in her own country.
them dictator. You know why they dictator? Because them say she have the means and the ways to get a Pakistani passport because her heritage is linked to Pakistani. So anybody basically they say who have heritage otherwise from UK, they could revoke
Dragon.
your national.
Hold
You get me?
Hold
on the birds. That's what they're
Footballers
saying.
are doing it right now.
Wait, hold on,
Chill.
hold on. Let him
So
finish
basically,
his
that's what they're trying to do.
So,
all right.
Before you move,
Sorry,
before you,
Browning.
yeah, go
Browning.
ahead,
Sorry
Fire.
to cut you.
No, go ahead.
Love for, is it, who's that? Love for what?
Travel K.
She can't
Yeah.
see anyone.
But can she hear us?
Yes,
though?
she can. They can hear you perfectly fine. I don't know if it's based on the fact that they're on Bread's Live. I'm not sure, but we can see everybody, and they can hear us quite clearly. Before you change the subject in regards to that young lady who you're referring to, you have to understand the reasoning behind why them say, "Oh, she can't go get a Pakistani."
Would they do that to a white person, Anglo-Saxon, British?
Probably not. They can,
No,
but probably
you know
not.
what it is? It's because of the state, right?
And because of the situation as well, the association with being a terrorist or being around terrorists, even if she herself is not a terrorist, the mere fact say she has that association, they must say, in truth and in fact, we're not give a girl an opportunity to forward over yourself. We're gonna make it be a problem.
Hold on there now. Put aside the terrorism thing one side for a bit, yeah?
That's the only reason why.
Fire, hold on now. Let's reason like we're civilized. Put aside the terrorism.
You're bright, man.
Put away, you call it the terrorism thing for a bit, yeah? All right. For a white person, Anglo-Saxon white person, what do they say? British true and true. Or English true and true, right?
Yeah.
If they was in the same situation as this girl, would the outcome be the same?
Yeah.
Probably not.
Yes. No. Yes.
Yes. Switzerland.
No.
They're British
They're-
right through.
No, hold on.
They're
You can
British,
Google
British.
this.
That's why I've been saying Anglo-Saxon,
You can
British
Google,
true and true.
Remember answer. You can Google this right now, yeah?
There's a great area.
There's a ginger youth, thinking about ginger anyway. Him got defect to the same place as she, and him can't come back here. Him can't, bro.
Birds,
them D, where the word they want to use, them D national, whatever they want to use.
Birds.
Bro,
Alright.
you ask a question, I'm
Ask a
answering
question.
you. Bro,
They can,
me
they
tell
can,
every day,
Dragon.
Dragon, every day I'm tell you on a show,
Yeah.
when you're triggered into terrorism, no matter where you say you're born and grow, them can't. One thing in that country
Birds.
on top, when I
Alright.
talk,
It's a
bro.
law.
Right.
But Lana, bruv, terrorism is basically the highest form of crime in the world.
Rasta, Google it.
Yeah?
Can a country make a
Bro,
statement if it...
I will add this already. If
They
you're a
can make you
terrorist, but them
stateless.
can't do anything with you.
They can make you stateless.
Bro, they can blast in one fire place, nobody know.
Hold on there now. So...
You
if-
can be stateless, bro.
But
So...
what is the question?
Fire.
though? Let's go back to
Hold on now. The question is... I'm just comparing something and say because...
Are you trace?
We are talking about heritage and wanna tie it up to the guy who say it is not Jamaican.
The dog is
He's
not.
British. So
not.
basically, if somebody come at Jamaica, right? We know them are English, them come on a British passport, but because England feels that no, remember the person that ties to Jamaica is a white man, blue eye, Anglo-Saxon person. England decides that no, you're not British no more. Remember, I know that person can't go America, can't go nowhere else. So what you feel like say Jamaica have to bear that problem unto themselves, or you feel like say Jamaica have to send back that person to where it come from. Just like, for example, if a Jamaican come to England and they know that you're Jamaican, right? Whether you have documents, yes or no, they will go back to the Jamaican government to try and make a document to send it back to Jamaica. All if Jamaica, the country, decides that they want to deem you stateless or they don't want you, that's not England problem. They must send it back to Jamaica because they know you're Jamaican.
But if it is a British citizen born and raised,
Yeah.
Right.
and they are going to deem you stateless,
Yeah.
it must be on account of a national security issue or counter-terrorism.
Okay.
So a British citizen can be made stateless upon those
And when you're
factors.
stateless, yeah,
All right.
and them say if I come out, yeah,
All right.
that when I finish, bro, that means your heritage can people that come for heritage I talk about can say to you, say, yo, we don't want ya. So the country where you only can probably go at the country you want to use to do something wrong.
There's a however on that. It says, however, the UK is bound by the 1954 and 1961 statelessness conventions and cannot deprive someone of citizenship if it would leave them stateless. However, so we have to look at the factors as to why.
If you leave them stateless, if you don't have nowhere else to go to, that's why I know. If you don't have a heritage to go to, all right.
However,
she out of the country when do that.
However, in the context of national security or counter-terrorism, you can be stateless.
Void
You
everything.
can be.
How much time I say this to you? When the terrorism, bro. No, bro.
Let's not stray.
I'm not straight. I'm finishing what you said. No, because you know, like when you say wrong, you can get back and say this. Me keep on telling every time.
Why are you talking
over and over and over? When there's terrorism, bro, you cannot go against what they must say.
Why you're going on about terrorism? We are trying
to... That's
the whole premise you try to win a case.
Hold on. We're not talking about terrorism. We're tying up about the video, about the guy.
No, but he's wrapping up his point about the terrorism.
Let me talk.
Point that
we are talking
up.
about the video where the guy say he's not Jamaican, he's British.
He never said he's not Jamaican.
Right? He said he's not Jamaican.
He said he's Jamaican heritage.
No, he said he's not Jamaican. When he go to Jamaica, them say the British youth.
No, he's not Jamaican.
Listen,
he said it. All
right.
He's
See?
not Jamaican.
So, just to say this, to say that, why he is fighting this fight? This is not our fight.
No, fight, bro.
Well, I know this is not.
No, it is so.
Well, on the fire. You know why it's not our fight?
Why?
Because when black people is getting mistreated, they are saying you are not English, you are British, and we are getting called name. I remember, there was time in England where they didn't really want black people here because they don't consider black people as English. They don't consider black people as English, and you know that this is not our fight. Why are we fighting against the brown man with the white man, which the white man don't look at us as equal?
Right.
This is not our fight. You see the Chinese them are joining. Why we can't see things and allow it?
This is what I'm saying to you, though, right? My point is, and I'm not with it. I wouldn't be at the march. I wouldn't be saying anything. I would shut my mouth. But in his defense, it's not even that he's got a right. I just believe that his fight is against illegal immigration as opposed to immigration. There's a difference.
He did say that too.
We have to understand the difference between those two things. Just opening the door to every Tom, Dick and Harry that we can't trace. They could have been terrorists in their countries. Yeah. They could have been anybody. And I'm not saying that all immigrants are that, because that's how they're trying to push the narrative. Right. I'm just saying that if we cannot trace somebody, if we do not know...
No, say you, not we. Come here, Jamaican.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, it's like, that is his point, though. He's from England.
He's born here.
He's born here. And the doors are opening to illegal people. When we're talking about illegal people, we're talking about people that they don't have no background. They don't have
no papers, nothing.
They're nobodies. They're just mystery people. If it's another person, an immigrant from that country, and they're coming over here, open up the door. And that's what he was saying. Why are they making it so hard for West Indians to come in? That are going to come in with all their paperwork, but they're letting in illegal immigrants.
And a part of the colony.
All right. So some of these illegal immigrants that come here to file asylum, just like what they're complaining about, they have just as much right as us, because England going to their country to destroy it. So if somebody coming at your country to destroy your country, right, where you gonna go for opportunity and prosperity?
Jagan, them have more right now.
I'm asking you.
Jagan, them have more right now.
If America come at England and mash up England, plunge it, take what them want, go back to America. You can't get no work. Where you gonna go?
You're gonna go to the only place where water is running. You're gonna try and feed yourself. You're gonna try and come over there. Okay. So that's why I'm saying I wouldn't be standing in the protest.
Fire, can I ask a question?
Be a part of that crowd, because I do understand what you're saying, but at the same time, my granny always says you have to give Caesar their due. So we can't just bun him out because of what he said, because his beliefs are his beliefs.
Question, Fire. Let me ask you a question. Was you born and bred in England?
She said, yeah.
Yes, I was.
Your parents?
My mum, but my dad's from Jamaica.
Okay, so based on your standpoint, would you consider yourself English?
I'm not English.
What do you consider yourself as?
I'm British.
What's the difference?
Minority.
The culture, the heritage.
What culture? What
the
British
heritage.
culture? What heritage?
Well, Britain ain't got no culture in it.
Hold on. What heritage? Because remember,
Hold on, you asked her the question and allow her to
Everybody
answer.
have
yeah.
everything.
I would consider so my grandparents Windrush, right? So they've come over here, they've set up a family. So all my beliefs, all my understanding, everything that I know of myself resonates with Jamaica. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I was born here as a British citizen. But if you was to go into my heritage and what I've taught and my culture and who I am, it's Jamaican.
Fire. I think you're mixing up the question a bit. I asked you to explain to me what's the difference between British and English.
I think British, you have to be white. I mean, white people's English. That's what I've always been told.
And you're
British people
You're incorrect.
are descendants of
No, you're incorrect.
other nations.
You're incorrect.
You-
All right.
citizenship.
So
To
the
be
unit.
British, it's a citizenship.
Fire. All right. So let me educate you for a bit. So basically, the British flag is a collective of a few countries, the way they call it British Isles. It's this big island. It's called the British Isles, where it's a combination of the 4 countries, right? So that's what they call Greater Britain. So it mixes up with the Scots, the Irish, the Welsh. That's Britain. So in terms of what you're talking about, Caribbean people, you're talking about Commonwealth. Commonwealth don't have nothing to do with Britishness. If you're born in England, you are English. If you're born in Scotland, you're a Scotman or a Scotwoman. If you're born in Wales, you're a Welsh. So don't make nobody think you tell you say oh you're not English, you're British. Is no such thing as people who born in England as is British. Is a landmass. Yeah. Call that. So in terms of these things, like it's stupidness. So
hold up, wait a minute.
We are talking about now.
It's right. He's correct.
No.
He's correct.
No, that's my question. When you apply for a farm,
yeah.
You ever see say black English?
It's a black Caribbean.
And black British.
Black British. Yeah.
Asian British.
Yeah.
This
Caribbean
British. And they say white English. So when you talk about the landmass,
but that's
let me finish.
Sorry.
That's the farm
Let
problem.
me finish, bro. The landmass work for them benefit.
Yeah.
But individually, they might tell you say a Scots a Scot when it needs to be a Scottish, vice versa. In England now, when they want to separate themselves, them say I'm English, you're British. And British means say, come there, I read it up. Yeah. A bunch of different people combined under one flag.
What do English mean?
I say British, bro.
Yeah.
I say British.
And what's the different flag them?
Bro,
Go ahead.
Jesus. Bum. All right, let me say it again. So when them say British, yeah, British mean, as him say, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland, and England. Yeah?
People and things from Great Britain. England,
and call it the Great Car. By having all them combined, it's a bigger show up on the map. Because you take off Scotland and them off of England, England will be a smaller place. Yeah? So them say, you know what? The Commonwealth, overgrown, whatever. When an Olympic, a British, everybody run under one flag. When I World Cup, everybody separate. Can it benefit them more. The thing what I say, in this country, right now and today we are talk, every minority, every foreigner, we have an English passport, is classed as British. If you're white and born here with the same color passport, you're classed as English. No matter what.
Which is wrong.
No,
based
it is
on,
wrong.
Based on the own country's definition.
It is wrong.
Things.
Definition of where them right, meaning of where them put. Them might tell you one thing if you look good, but when you live in the country, you realize say, I know say it works.
So are we going about street talk?
Brother, on the street talk, it happen, bro.
So
the fuck? What are you talking about, bro? But an application form, them actually tell you this, dog.
Because obviously, technically,
one application form, that's have a right.
You don't have to raise your voice. It's not that kind of party, my boss. All right. So basically,
it's a British party.
The Commonwealth nations.
So basically,
the same thing though.
No, we're not saying it. We're saying two different things. I'm saying if you're born in England, you're English.
By your eyes.
You are not.
No, by the definition of the law of the land.
English. The law of the land. All right. Look at a birth certificate. Your birth certificate tell what you are. Your birth certificate don't say British. You don't say British born. It say English. Look at a. Hold on. Look at a.
Go for your birth certificate.
Hold on there. Look on a birth certificate. It will say English. It do not say British. It say English.
Because you're born
your
in
birth
you're from
certificate
England.
say
You're from the
England.
United Kingdom.
All right.
English.
So if your birth paper say English,
Your
yeah?
birth certificate and the
Alright.
because all right.
If your birth paper
Do you
say
know?
English,
All right.
yeah?
Do you know
One at a
like
time,
a
guys.
Scottish birth certificate is different from England and a Welsh one is different
Yeah.
because
It's a
obviously
different country.
exactly. So your birth certificate say what you are, just like what you call it, like in Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean. We all under the same CARICOM passport that we can go travel to each other country. But my passport is Jamaican and this, but you do have the CC on it, the CARICOM passport. So when you get a what you call it, a Scottish passport. Well, I know your passport is an English British passport we have, because Scottish passport and Welsh passport is different. It's different.
Bro,
it
every
is
passport,
different.
Well, I'm different. I know that.
And that's,
So,
and
yeah.
I think,
We are talking
I
in the
think
country.
we are on the same wavelength of what
Yeah,
you're
man.
saying. We agree with you. So British is a broader term for anyone from the country of Great Britain
Alright.
or the UK, a nation composed of the countries of England, Scotland, and Wales, while being English is a more specific term that refers to only people from England. That's it.
Jamaicans speak English, but is a dialect of English we call patois.
Oh, no. Pat is the official
Yeah.
word now. You can Google that.
We didn't say it's not an
The
official
official
word.
language. So, no dialects and nothing.
It's a dialect of
Nope,
English.
nope.
Birds, you know what?
Brother,
Birds,
one
hold on
fit
now.
official,
Birds,
it have its
Birds,
own stand.
Birds, hold on now. Do you know what dialect mean?
No, come on, done. We're
Alright,
not
please.
dialect right now.
All right.
Me get it wrong?
Then
Fool.
if I don't
So,
know
Dragon.
what it mean, then just
Dragon,
chill now,
me ask
boss.
a question, Dragon.
Come in here, I don't reason
Dragon.
tonight.
And
So-
we're
so
going to
if-
wrap up this topic
So
in
if a
30
language is
seconds,
officially
guys.
a language by itself,
Fire, find a bird paper.
it will be a dialect. Bro, when it wasn't officially, what them say was it's official language, you know, and whatever, then they can talk, it's a subgenre to it.
Gap it
It's
crucial,
our
big
own
up
feet, bro.
yourself. Jamaicans speak
And-
English.
And the day when you keep on a thinking in your mind,
And
you
patois.
basically are sound just like the youth on the video. You're not confused. If you're going to say you're born and your bird people say English, but the rest of your life,
Youth is wrong.
well, I know, the rest of your life, you're wrong too. The rest of your life, your bird paper say English, you know. Remember, I'm say it again. And the rest of your life, you go through signing every single form and identification, everything, you have to write black British.
Oh, fire, go look for your bird paper. It's fire. You
Was on
can't
their
fi-
mattress.
No,
Fire.
but no, she need
Fire.
to.
For your bird paper now, go say that. Man, I Jamaica step on that coffee. I all time.
Because-
No.
Because it ain't worse thing about this, yeah. Like,
Yeah.
as me say, England,
You don't find it on their mattress? You find it?
I took a picture of it, but I can't see nothing on there. I don't know what kind of birth certificate it is. Maybe it's Jamaican.
Alright.
Fake?
watermarker, run out.
Look,
Alright.
look for one of the kids' birth certificate because I'm sure it's on it. Because I am
Actually, me can't tell you right now.
I am a regular down
User.
a maternity ward, you know.
Dragon,
Yo.
where was
So
you
me know.
born?
Me?
Dragon, where was you born?
I'm a Jamaican.
Yo, may I find one right now?
Right.
I'm a
So
Jamaican.
my question is,
Yes.
yeah, so is he wrong for identifying as an English person? Which what you just said,
Based on the definition.
based on what you said, yeah, he has all rights to stand up there as an English person.
All right, it's not how him identify is my problem.
No, but no. Answer the question.
All
Auntie,
right.
that was
Yes,
asked.
he have rights
Okay.
to identify as an English person, but when him distance himself from him heritage, when you live in a country as England, where as things go wrong, either them blame the brown man or black man, you should not do that because if push come to shove, where are you gonna go? Because
Okay, so can I ask you a question then?
Yes.
Right? So, if when he goes back to his heritage, they tell him that he is English and not Jamaican, what should he do? Stand up there as an English-born person and fight them on it? Or should he accept it?
But him accept it already.
I don't think black people
But this
is
is what
like
I'm
that.
saying, because my thing is that if we're saying that he shouldn't have done that and he's disassociating with his heritage in that,
Yeah.
remember when we go back home, they are very much inclined to make us know that we're not Jamaican.
Oh,
Really? Who make you know say
Me,
you're Jamaican?
definitely. I went down there the other day and I was like, yeah, you're English. I'm
Them
saying
say
no,
a
but I'm
tourist.
Jamaican.
And them said, no, yeah,
telling them.
Jamaican,
but
yeah,
not
you're born in
fire.
England.
Like you're looking
Exactly.
at, hold on there, you're looking at it in the wrong concept. People are say you're a foreigner, and when them say foreigner, them say opportunity, them say money. But if you live down there, nobody now gonna say you're born and grew in Jamaica. Because if I look, if you wanna be right now, we see Mr. Chin and Miss Chin, they're Jamaica all the time, right? and we accept them as Jamaican, even though they are Chinese, right? Because Jamaican people is very easily accepting and other people, and we say Raj and Rajish them. We and them go I see my school and sitting
Saeed.
You know, and Saeed them, and we and them guys see my school and we accept them as Jamaican. So in terms of people blame,
but that's not his experience though, because he's born, grown, and lives in England.
No, but when him got Jamaican people say the English youth.
Tiny man experience that grown out there. That don't make sense.
Breds, this is your last
paper,
point on the topic.
There's
Fire,
no
you
way,
have a last
there's
point
no way
as
on the
well.
bird paper it's the English or British.
Where?
That's what I said.
No, it just check
on there.
and I'm a son
Yeah.
on
Wait. Your son too old.
I just got
He's not. Don't do that.
Bro, when you see it,
How old is your son?
My son, my son is 15, bro.
That's why them
my son
never
30.
probably plan on
And it's
touch
not
it,
on
stop
Fire's
touch it,
own, and
stop
Fire's
touch
son is 30.
you plan for one.
You're on fake.
Anyways,
You know if you're a British pump back at bird paper.
Breds, give your last top
No,
point.
the
on
point
this
to me I
topic,
say
please.
this, yeah. Any idea, yeah? As black people, we still deluded to certain things. The youth here live and born and grow up. He doesn't know shit about Jamaica.
And he
the man
accepts
have
being
all
English.
right to do him all. If him choose to do this, God go with him. Film problem.
Fire,
Isn't
your
it?
last point on the topic first, please.
My last point is that we can't all identify based on our heritage, because we have to remember the kids that grew up in foster care, that have been taken under other people's heritage, and they don't even know their own. So if they want to identify as English and disassociate from everything else, they're allowed to. They're national.
Thank you for sharing your last point on the topic, please, because we're wrapping up.
I feel like say your heritage and ethnicity have a lot to do with who you are, because sometimes
if you know it.
Sometimes, if a black man born in China, they're not going to accept you as Chinese.
Black Chinese?
Blackanese.
That is fact. So, some of the time, it's good as black people for we should know our own, fight our own battle. Don't involve in things where we are not invited to. Sometimes we
Would you go live in Africa?
Of course.
No.
Yeah, I would.
Right
move.
now.
I would move to
Which
Africa.
Africa?
Right now.
Where's that Africa?
I'll go
I'll go Gambia, I'll go Kenya, I'll go Nigeria, I'll go Ghana, I'll go
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe, I'll go South Africa. There's a lot of places I'll
You
go
know why I
live in
said
Africa.
that? You know why I said that?
Why?
Support them and wine in them country. What you gonna say?
In their country?
Yeah, put them and wine in them country.
I have birthright. Africans is not
Where?
like that.
No. See, that's your problem now. This is what I try to
Why
say.
you gonna start something where try
What birthright you have?
My ancestors.
Ancestor and uncle if you say. See,
you are a better woman than me, you know.
You see it?
Babysitting these two.
You see it? It come back down to the
Stress.
youth, the youth on the video. The man still see himself identify as a Caribbean or a Jamaican. We assume him a Jamaican. Yeah?
Because maybe they haven't.
The whole of we are talking about, we are go back to Africa. Are you sure Africa while we over there?
That's a good question.
No, but it's true. No one ever asked a question there.
Like, I hate when people say Africa, go back. Remember, it's a continent. You have much country there in Africa.
But I didn't say nothing wrong.
Like, at the end of the day,
I said
the continent
of
Africa.
Africa.
Some part of Africa, you can't go back because I know black people there over there, Arab.
Bro, regardless
so you can't go.
All
so I know few type of people in them.
Before we go on to
another,
before we continue on to another tangent, we're gonna end the show here. Fire, big up yourself. Thank you as usual for always supporting and for joining us this evening. Big up yourself, and we will speak soon, ladies and gentlemen who are on TikTok, on our TikTok live as well as our Instagram page. We thank you so much for your participation this evening. Big up to DJ Dio who joined us earlier as well. Give thanks. Make sure say Uno continue to follow us. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. If you are not yet following us on any of our social media platforms, make sure that you go over and you do so. UPNLIVESHOW. Most importantly, head over to our YouTube channel to make sure that you follow the movement. You like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we drop our videos.
Dash some lines over here.
And Una can tap up the screen too if you don't want to support me. Is it me? Big up to the TGM Radio UK family as per usual.
Till next week, we're my darkers. Straight begins.
Who continue to support us on a weekly basis as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you ever so much. All Star.
Yeah, people that don't know anything go don't follow the youth, love your brother, love your sister. Let love rule in everything you do. I want to read book, know your heritage, because them say brain power is the main power. Until next week, people.
See you later.
Take care of yourself. Remember this
British
Sunday,
people and big up on themselves.
DJ Dio's Fun House. Big up England every time. And on Saturday, Andrew Fresh's
and ear to ear.
Year to year, and party, as well as he's celebrating 20 years, 30 years within the industry.
Enough more years than
Wally for decades. Go out and support Andrew Fresh on his event this weekend. Take care of yourself, guys.
Look, come on.
Bye. Bye, Fire. Take